One of the main problems that this planet faces is pollution. You may think that only the land is severely polluted, but if you do, you'd be shocked to know how much trash is really in the ocean. In fact, there are now two different types of plastic debris, which both have subclasses of their own. Plastic is widespread in the ocean. It is scattered in 6 of the 7 continents' coastal waters. This is a variety of all types of plastic debris. However, there are 5 main points that are called gyres. They have powerful currents that accumulate trash, the biggest being in the North Pacific. It's called the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. The effects plastic pollution has towards the ocean are not very obvious to everyday citygoers like us, but there are tons of effects. Mostly all are bad. Some are the aftermath of a fishing boat, such as nets. When a net is lost, it floats around the ocean, drowning or crushing multiple animals. However, it's not just fishermen who cause problems. You and I do the same. Every time you use a non-reusable plastic, there is a very high chance it will end up in the ocean. When plastic breaks up into smaller pieces, fish can mistake it for food. A small fish will eat a piece of plastic. A bigger fish will eat 3 of the smaller fish, consuming 3 pieces of plastic. When we eat 3 of the bigger fish, in theory we would be eating 9 pieces of plastic. Plus, when coral reefs are destroyed, it causes loss of tourism, and therefore a drop in the country's economy. And for all you seafood lovers, it looks like if we don't cut down on plastic, fish will be much less common. Plastic was there in the 1900s, but wasn't widely used until 1940. From then until the year 2000, many species went extinct, including some types of turtles and dolphins. Only in 2006 did we realize the ever-worsening issue at hand. Then, in 2013, Australia realized its massive coral reef was dying. After only 75 years of extreme plastic usage, there is a pile of trash, twice the size of Texas, that weighs 705,000 tons. And that's only part of the plastic in the ocean. The 4 countries that are polluting the most are China, Indonesia, India, and the Philippines. This is mainly because they are developing, and some of the countries buy trash to make money. Therefore, it helps their economy. The world's NGOs and government organizations alike have come up with many ways to solve this problem. A very interesting idea being throwing the trash into space. If we do so, it would help the planet dearly. However, we are not living in a fictional world. There are reasons that do not support this idea. The cost for an average NASA shuttle to launch is $450 million. Adding the amount of money needed to collect the trash is creating a huge total. Another issue is if the mission fails and the trash is left in space, it would be a huge problem as it would block out the sun, ruining life on Earth. However, it is logical, as space is vast, so any amount of trash that we throw at it is not even a speck. Of course, ordinary people like us can't throw the trash into space, but we can cut down on our own plastic usage. It would be equally positive. Cut down on plastic straws, bags, and any other items of plastic that are only one-time uses. Save yourself from the true enemy. Save the planet. Save yourself from plastic.